Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my beautiful people? I hope that you all are doing great today. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about pronunciation, how the pronunciation is important in our speech, and we often ignore pronunciation with our speech. So, why this pronunciation is important? So, if we want to deliver a great speech, a good speech, our pronunciation has to be impressive. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak fluent English, then your pronunciation has to be up to the mark. So, why pronunciation is not given attention here? So, it is up to you to improve your pronunciation. You can learn, you can watch every video on pronunciation. But if you do not improve, or if you do not practice enough to improve your pronunciation, then you will fail pronunciation. You will fail to improve your pronunciation. Okay? So, working on your pronunciation create a certain kind of personality for you. It is up to you to improve your pronunciation. So, we all love our mother tongue and we all love our native language. But if it is affecting your pronunciation very badly, then you have to pay attention on your pronunciation, respective of your career and your field. So, if you want to be impressive and if you want to look confident, then you have to work on your pronunciation. People should talk of you after you giving speech. That person is very confident. That person's speech was very good. He or she was very impressive with his or her pronunciation. His pronunciation was just remarkable. People should talk about you. So, why don't you improve your pronunciation? It is for practice if you want to pronounce very good. So, you have to know the pronunciation of each and every word, how to have crystal and clear pronunciation. You have to polish your pronunciation. If you want to sound great, if you want to sound impressive, then every aspect of your speech must be focused on, be it pronunciation, be it accent, intonation, rhythm, vocabulary, sentence formation, confidence. All of this aspect must be focused on. No aspect should be ignored here. So I hope that you get my point. We love our mother tongue, but if it is affecting our speech in English, then this is not good for our career, our field, and for your dreams and for your goals. So your pronunciation should be crystal clear, and the one of the reason is here. If your pronunciation is bad, then the person whom you are talking to, you are misunderstood. They cannot understand what you are saying. You are often misunderstood and the conversation is not meaningful here. So your pronunciation is good. Your pronunciation should be good. Your message, your thoughts, or your point of view should be expressed well. And through pronunciation, you can convey your message, your thoughts, your point of view, and your speech will be good, will be understood well. Your thoughts will be understood well. You will not be misunderstood by mispronunciation. So these are the reasons that you should polish your pronunciation. You can improve your pronunciation by practice consistently. So keep this in mind if you want to be fluent in English, or if you want to look confident and impressive in front of the people, then you have to work on your pronunciation in English. So how can you do it? So this video is for you. You can understand how the words pronounced. So in this video, we are going to focus on f sound. The words start with f and start with th. So how to pronounce f words, f sounds, and how to pronounce th with starting th. So here I will give you examples of father. So some of you say this word like father, father, family, pool, peel. So these kind of pronunciation are all wrong. So correct pronunciation of these sounds of these words are father. Your lower lip should touch to your teeth. Father. F. Father. Father. You can repeat after me. Father. Family. It is not family. It is not family. It's family. Family. When you pronounce the sound f, your both lips should not be touched. P. It is not p. It is f. F. Your lower lip should touch your teeth. F. Father. Family. Feel. Fish. Fish. Family. From. Fool. Fool. I live with my family. I live with my family. Family. So that was the sound f. I hope that you get my point. So next sound is here th. Th. So your tongue should touch your teeth in between your both teeth line. Th. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thin. Think. Just think. Th. Think. Thank you so much. Thick. Thoroughly. 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 Think. Thin. Thick. Thigh. So that was the explanation of importance of pronunciation from my side. So you can get the idea of importance of pronunciation in this video. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this kind of video, then I will be making this kind of content for you. So please keep this in mind that pronunciation is very, very important, and you start working on your pronunciation because it is effective for your speech. If you want to look confident, if you want to look promising, you have to work hard on your pronunciation. Please practice with this kind of word and start focusing on technicalities of pronunciation of each and every word. Then you will look and you will sound great and confident. So if you like my videos, then hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Start practicing to be fluent in English. You can be fluent in English. Start practicing on regular basis. And keep this in mind, if you want to be fluent in English, you have to start speaking in English. So I will see you in my next video with new topic. Till then, bye.